Once you have logged in into your account, you would be navigated to the home page, wherein you will see this option which is named for business in the top right corner. Click on it and scroll down and select create a company page. This is the option wherein you would be able to create a page for your company, business, or just for yourself. So once clicked, you would be given an option of 3 pages to choose from. First is company, showcase, educational. So if you are creating a page for a school or a uni, then select this. Now this is basically unnecessary, the second option, and the first one is the one that everybody usually goes with, which is company. So like even if you are creating a page for your personal use, this is the option that you can go for, which is the company option. Once clicked, you will then be asked to add in all the details which are required to create a page. For example, your name, your website's URL, industry type, organization size, type, and everything. Now for the name, you definitely have to add your business's or your company's name or your personal name if you're creating a page just for yourself. So for example, I'll just add a random name like sell my horse. Now as soon as I do it, you will see that LinkedIn automatically created a page URL based on the name that I basically provided it. So you can change it if you want, like I do it like 1-to-1, it can be changed, but if you don't want to change, leave it as it is. Then add your website URL. I'll just randomly add anything to show, like www.sellmyhorse21.com. Now industry type, really important. Select exactly what industry you belong to or your business belongs to. So for example, I would write in let's write in animal and see if we get something. Yeah, so we're getting animal feed manufacturing. I'll choose it. Now organization size, so how many people are you working with, how many people are involved in this organization. It could be 0 if you are alone or just anyone. Now this doesn't really impact or create much of an impact, but you can definitely have such information because it will show up on your page when somebody looks for it. So I'll randomly choose this one, and then we'll go to organization type. So I'm creating this page for like myself, so I'll choose self-employed. Accordingly, you can choose from any other option that suits you or that's the most relevant for your needs or requirement. Now comes logo. So this is the specification for the logo, and these are the formats supported. Have a look and make sure that your logo is in that particular format, size and specifications, and then add it by clicking on choose file. So I don't really have something, but I can definitely say add this photo I have of something. I don't know what it is, so I'll just add it. Now if you don't have a logo ready, you can definitely skip it for now because this is not a mandatory option right now, and you can add the logo and the tagline as well later on. So I'll just write in something to show how to, and you can definitely do these. You can definitely do these 2 things later as well. Click on this, then continue with create page. So once done, your page is ready, and this is how you create a LinkedIn company page. That's about it. Now you can definitely add more details into it. For that, you can either click on the add button right here, or you can go down, click on the edit page option, where you will get all the options to edit and update, starting right from page info, which will include your name and everything, which we have already input. But if you want to change something, you can definitely change it here. Next comes button. So if you want to have like a CTA button on your page, like we have visit website right here, right? So we can like change it. If you want to change it, like we can do it, we can make it contact us. So anytime somebody clicks on this, they would be able to contact us. Similarly, you can go to the other options and choose the one that suits you the most or which you think you need. And if you don't want any a custom button or CTA, then you can definitely just turn this option off and you're good to go. Then save. Now anytime you make a update, be it a single update or 2 multiple updates, you have to click on save, or else all the changes would not be saved automatically. Now we'll come to overview, description, right, or adding a description for your page here. Then we have website URL, which we have already done. Then you can add your phone number with which somebody would be able to contact you. Just add something random, and then year founded, the year your business was found. So all these details are required because your page needs to be as complete as possible, as this factor is something that LinkedIn takes into consideration while showing people showing people results. Like if you want your page to be seen, if you want to increase your page reach, then you have to make sure that you complete as many fields as possible, that you complete basically fill in all the fields where you can and leave where you can't. So it really matters. It's just a very simple tip to follow, which really helps in making your page rank higher. So I'll discard this for now. We can go to workplace. So if you have a workplace module in place, you can turn this on and select the option that you want to choose. We don't have any, so we'll not use this. Commitment, if you want to show some commitment that you're following, or your brand is motivated with, then go with continue and add one. We will not for now, so we'll skip. Locations, add a location, your country, your address of your office, your business. And if you're creating this for your personal use, then I don't think you really need it, but you can just go with the country and city, and that's about it. Lead generation form, you want to have a lead generation form, turn this on, make relevant changes, add something for your headline like contact us, body copy, fill this form to contact us. This way a lead generation form would get pinned onto your page. So if somebody wants to get some service from you, or if somebody's interested in your business, they can just click on this link, fill it up and submit it. We'll save. Okay, so this thing we don't have right now, which is a privacy policy. If you have your privacy policy set up, then just link it up here and you're good to go. Now hashtags, something that would help you up to an extent to rank your page. Just add like a few hashtags that are like related to you or your business or what you do. I'll add some that is randomly showing up. It's smart enough, but you can definitely add something that you want to show up for. Done, save. Skip it. Yeah, it's done. So if you want to share your page edits with your followers, then you can just follow this step. If you don't, like me, then click on no thanks. So this is it. This is how you set up your LinkedIn page. This is how you get started up with your LinkedIn page. This is how you create and set up your LinkedIn page, if I'll say. Now it's really important that you optimize this page if you want to get business out of it, if you want to increase your reach, if you want to get connections, followers. You definitely have to optimize it as much as possible, which I have a video on already. So if you want to watch and if you want to know how to optimize your LinkedIn page after creating it, click on this link and you would be able to watch that video. It's a really helpful video and I would recommend all of you guys to watch it, because if you don't optimize your page would just not rank higher, your page would just not look professional, and people would not be interested in your page if they came across your page. And first of all, I don't think your people will come across your page, because the reach is going to be really low if you don't optimize it well. So this is it for now. This is how you create a LinkedIn business page. Follow these steps and you would be able to create a page for yourself. And let's catch up next time with a new video, and thank you so much for watching this video.